Hello everyone, my name is Lila from the Edison Public Library. Today I'm in the library to give you some reading recommendations that will have you craving more. So today we will be focusing on books that may help you with the upcoming holidays or just help you out in the kitchen just a little bit. We have plenty of tasty things to get into, so let's hop into it. Our first book today will be My Life in France by Julia Child. Many of you may know Child from her world-renowned book, Mastering the Art of French Cooking, or her show, The French Chef. No matter where you may or may not know her from, Julia Child single-handedly created a new approach to American cuisine. She wasn't always a master chef though. In this book, we follow Child as she moves to France with her husband, knowing no French and looking for a purpose in her life. I highly recommend picking up this book if you're just starting to learn how to cook and are feeling discouraged. I know this book has helped me a lot through a lot of kitchen disasters. If you're interested in finding some classic recipes, pick up, this is a hefty one, The Joy of Cooking by Irma Rober. Now, I know this book has been recommended by basically every chef, food blog, or home cook, but it's recommended for a very good reason. This cookbook was originally published in 1931 and has become a staple in American cookbooks, simply because of the number of recipes that it has at this point. This is the cookbook your grandmother and your mother was using when they were making their family meals. So if you're looking to carry on some classic family traditions, pick up this cookbook. If you're looking for more modern and unique recipes, grab a copy of Cravings by Chrissy Teigen. In this fantastic cookbook, Teigen brings together a culinary masterpiece. Mixing classic recipes with her own twist, she brings a sensation to your kitchen that you've never experienced before. From drunken noodles to sriracha Caesar salads, you'll love trying everything in this book. And finally, if you want to learn more about the culinary world, pick up Kitchen Confidential by Anthony Bourdain. All of these books and more are available in the library and through Libby and Hoopla. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll share what you've created. Happy eating!